Guys, we finally made it to Jolly Gators. We are going to eat because we are hungry and have something to drink because we're thirsty. But it was crazy coming in here. We got stuck coming in the channel like I expected, but it worked out. Everybody, it took them one time to get stuck for everybody to figure it out, but it's we're here. Let's do it. We sing happy birthday to this beautiful woman right here, Emily. Emily. Am. Ready? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Em. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God.
Say a word right there. For the ski riders, we got M in the house. Happy birthday. Happy 27th birthday.
Damn, that's old.
Happy birthday, Mom.
I thought it was her 18th.
Thank you.
Came in a little hot, didn't you? Just a little bit hot. Wow, I can see the broken branches. Wait, did you hit that tree?
Yes, hit a tree.
Holy sh! They hit a tree over there too.
Luckily, in the same exact spot that he hit the
Oh, you slid into it.
Yeah, so
I got right behind him in his wake. I couldn't.
Man, that ski's taking a beat today.
Hey,
A boat? No,
it's a SeaDoo, baby.
Yeah, you got that on video, right?
It's a SeaDoo, yeah, you heard him. It's a SeaDoo.
That's why it doesn't. It's still floating.
Still goes.
Still floating.
Hey, we ain't at the ramp yet, buddy.
But the Yamaha, but it's
Wow. We're coming to you live and direct, Joel style. The SeaDoos have hit another tree.
Hit the boat.
Can't take these guys nowhere. Swear to God.
Sit time.
Look, zip ties, people. Zip ties. Guys, I'm wrapping up this video now. It was an awesome day out here in Sanford, St. John's River. Everybody's getting ready to go back home. Until the next time, people. Peace out.
What's going on, world? If you're looking at this, you're looking at Jules World, the #1 YouTube channel in the world. So make sure you subscribe. You see that right here? That little bell? It gets you notified whenever Jules upload a video. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell.
That bell's
Right
on the other
here,
side. It's on,
right
it's on the
here.
other side.
Okay,
Yeah.
This side.
It's
This
on the-
side, all right? Anywhere here, all right? Jules World. Peace. Brother Ski Riders.